In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use your Apple Pay. Apple Pay allows you to make payment online and contactless payments within stores. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your Apple Wallet and add a debit or credit card. You can do this by clicking the little plus icon at the top of your screen. Here, you have the option to add a debit or credit card. Here, you'll select continue, and then at this point, you have the option to scan your card, or you can enter card details manually by selecting enter card details manually. Here you'll provide the card details and then you select next to proceed to add the card, right? But as you can see, my cards are already added, so I'm just gonna step back. Now, in order to use your Apple Pay in store, all you need to do is double click the little power button at the side of the screen, and your default card will come up and ask you to show your Face ID or pay with passcode. So once you select pay with passcode and enter your code, then all you need to do is hold your phone near the card reader, and once the transaction is complete, it will give you a check sound. And that's basically it for Apple Pay. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.